Hey guys, Shane Pennebaker here, aka Shane the Shark Man. We'll talk about that later. I'll let you know what it is. Right now we're looking at this Newmar 2018 3124 spectacular product Newmar makes. All of their products are fantastic, and we sell them right here at BISH'S RV in Junction City. We're going to start out checking it out. You've got your sidewall here, full body paint. Nice slide topper that'll reject anything that drops on top of it and roll it right off like it wasn't even there. Whether it be pine cones, water, squirrels, whatever gets up there. So we're moving along here. Got the nice big 22.5 wheels. Really good, smooth ride. This is, by the way, a full wall slide. Rare to find, but it opens up the coach tremendously. So when you're in there, I mean, it's bigger than my first apartment. Heck, it's bigger than my first house, and that's real. Frameless windows, tinted in the summertime, so when the sun comes in there trying to kick your butt, it doesn't kick your butt. Keep nice and cool. Same on the back. You also have a nice backup camera, which helps you when you're towing your vehicles. You can check it out. Of course, here's your other opposing slide in the back in the bedroom. Gives you a lot more room to sleep and roll off the bed like I do, hit the ground running. First thing in the morning. It's getting kind of tight in here. I got to slow down on the cookies they're selling. All right. In between these, then we've got an outside TV. You can drop your awning over the top, which is almost a full body awning, and you can watch TV, rain or shine, and be real dry about it. Let's go on inside and check this bad boy out here. All right, so first thing you're going to see, of course, is the cockpit. You got your driver's seat, passenger seat, nice supple leather, two full screens. Of course, your backup camera's on one, your navigation on the other. This thing is in spectacular shape. One-touch leveling system right there. Touch it once, levels out. When you want to back up, you push it again. Now, this is a really cool part you don't really see often. This is an adjustable raising level bunk bed with a ladder built in, which flips up underneath and then it drops down. So when you have the grandkids or anyone else over, you want to have them check it out and sleep. Say you're in the doghouse, you can sleep there instead of the doghouse. And also, the blonde wood, very, very nice decor. This lights up as well. I should have turned it on earlier, but anyway, this is along your slide here. You got your kitchen right there with a nice Whirlpool microwave. Gas cooktop, 3 burners. Gas is excellent. Plenty of storage. Ample storage is key in motorhomes, as we all know. It's like gold. You got your 3-way Norcold fridge here. Runs on electricity, gas, and battery. Then moving down, we got a nice dinette booth here. Opposing benches, real soft. This drops down, turns into a bed if you need it to be. Plenty of sleeping room. All right, moving back. Egress door, you got your restroom right here. Your bathroom looks great. Huge shower. Plenty of room in there. Moving forward, or should I say backward? Right in here you got rolling drawers for your spices. Anything else you might need, there's a bunch of them in here, and that's pretty handy. It's a neat little feature. Lots of cabinet space for other things, and they're ledged, of course, so nothing just drops off when you turn a corner. And then finally, moving back here to the bedroom, you've got quite a bit of space. Double doored. Up here is your wardrobes. Then you can put your DVD player. Well, there's one here already. TV there. And right across from the TV, you can lay in this nice, luxurious queen-size bed. This also is part of their slide out. Comes out, this thing is just loaded down. I mean, it's just great. Lots of storage underneath. I mean, you can't go wrong. You come and see me, Shane the Shark Man, here at BISH RV, and we'll talk about this. I'll buy you breakfast or lunch, or both, because I like to eat, and I'm sure you do too. Great place to be right here, and this Newmar is spectacular. All Newmars are. In fact, anything that's on the lot that's a Newmar, if you want to come and look at it, I'm the going. So come in and see me. Again, Shane the Shark Man. Take care, folks.